The vaccines are rolling out in US hospitals as they reach peak capacity. In the United States alone, deaths have exceeded over 317,000 as we speak. Now, US industries are pushing for their workers to receive early access to COVID vaccines, but local health departments and pharmacies are now facing a big challenge, and that is to verify the identity of who an essential worker is, and also to ensure that no one jumps the line. The United States has two authorized COVID-19 vaccines at this point of time as we speak. One is from Pfizer-BioNTech and the other one is from Moderna. The vaccination campaign underway is currently focused on hospital staff and nursing homes. This, of course, remember, is a very tightly controlled environment where verification is relatively simple. But beginning from January and February, Americans employed in a different range of industries will become eligible for the inoculation drive. They are essentially frontline workers, but the plan to verify the vaccine candidates' jobs is absent, and there is a lot of confusion as to who qualifies as an essential worker. Now, this has, of course, raised the risk of fraud and disorganization, and so the question that now arises is who decides as to which worker is essential. In the United States, the criteria to qualify as a frontline worker varies from state to state. Now, according to the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention estimate, roughly about 30 million essential workers will be next in line for the COVID-19 shot. An additional 57 million essential workers will also be vaccinated sometime later. Now, the lack of clear guidelines will significantly complicate the verification process as these workers seek the COVID-19 shot. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security's list covers nearly about 70% of the U.S. labor force. It has provided little clarity to health officials who are trying to distribute the initially limited doses of the vaccines. A panel of experts that advises the CDC has recommended that people 75 and older, and also workers including the first responders, teachers, food and agriculture manufacturing, U.S. Postal Service, public transit and grocery shop workers should have the next priority for the vaccines. Now, pharmacy operators Walgreens and Kroger has referred to state and local guidelines when asked as to how they would verify essential workers. The Consumer Brands Association and the Food Industry Association, representing food retailers, are developing template letters for employees to verify their essential worker status. Now, this could bring some clarity to vaccine distribution plans, but not before the first quarter of 2021 is done.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.